Hello everybody, I'm Shravya and today I'm going to tell you about Scratch. Firstly, what is Scratch? Scratch is definitely not the action you do to your head when you are confused. We all think that computers are very clever and are smart, when in fact computers can't do anything on their own. Computers need us to give them instructions to do different tasks. These instructions are called programs, and there are different languages these instructions are written in. Scratch is one such computer programming language. So here I am, and I hope this video helps you with the first stepping stone in your Scratch journey. So, what do you need? Currently, Scratch is only available on Windows and Mac devices. Once you have got your laptop or computer, then the time has come to think whether you want to program Scratch online or offline. What is great about both versions of Scratch is that they are completely free. Children, you may need an adult's help for this, and most certainly their permission. Online means accessing Scratch via the internet. You can access Scratch by using this website. The MIT in the website stands for the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. They are the people who created Scratch. When you are on the website, you need to create your own account. To do this, click the button Join and then create a username and password. Remember, don't put any of your personal details and make sure you note it down somewhere just in case you forget. Once you have entered all the details and created your account, you are free to use Scratch online. Offline means to download Scratch straight onto your computer. To do this, visit this website and select the correct option for the computer you are using. Scratch 3.0 is the latest version. If you are having problems downloading Scratch 3.0, then you could download an old version of Scratch, like Scratch 2.0. Scratch Software version 2.0 needs Adobe Air. If you don't have it, you can download it from this link and install Adobe Air and Scratch 2.0 at the same time. This is what the icon for Scratch 2.0 looks like. If you have problems installing Adobe or Scratch 2.0, you can try and download an older version of Scratch like 1.4 from this website. Just choose the computer you have and Scratch will begin to install. When the download is complete, Scratch should appear on your desktop. Click on this icon to run Scratch. When you run Scratch, a screen like this should appear. Some versions of Scratch may differ, but they all do roughly the same things. This is a screen that should appear when you run Scratch online. In this version, the stage is on the right-hand side of the screen, but as I said earlier, some versions of Scratch may be different. On the left are the blocks. These include different commands you can use in your coding. Also on the left is a menu. Conveniently, in Scratch, all the blocks have been color-coded into different groups to make it easier to find the block you're looking for. In the top left corner, there are 3 tabs. By clicking on these, you can change between the code, costumes, and sounds. In the middle is where you should drag all the blocks to create your programs. Now that you know how to download and install Scratch, you can use this website to find some ideas on what to code. Next week, I will be back to teach you how to code some simple programs which will help you in later projects. Before I go, I would like to ask you one question. Have you got the itch to be a successful Scratcher? See you soon!